If you are working on a document, paper, discussion post, etc., and want to listen to it before submitting it, copy and paste the information into the New Text area in Read Speaker Text Aid. First, click on New Text on the left-hand menu. Then paste the text into the document. You can click Listen to hear it read to you. You can also compose material in the New Text area. As you can see, we have undo, redo, several formats, bold, italics, lists, spell check, dictation, increase or decrease font size, reading speed, and language. The first button on the left has 3 dots on it, and when opened, shows additional tools such as alignments and increasing and decreasing the indentation of lists or text. Let's listen to a couple of lines, and make any necessary changes.
In my research I have found that text-to-speech technology is a great asset. It helps me listen my work since I am an oral learner.
We need to put a comma after research. Remove the word on. Add the word a before the word great. And add the word to before the word my to correct the grammar in these sentences. Now, let's look at dictation. The dictation tool works by clicking on the microphone and then clicking on Start. It records one sentence at a time. You can record multiple sentences before having them added to the document. Let's record 2 sentences. Press Enter after the first sentence, and then click on Start before the dictation of the second sentence.
Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Notice that there are no capital letters to start the sentences and no punctuation at the end of the sentences. You would need to make those changes before inserting the text. Capitalize T on the word today and add a period after the word Friday. Capitalize T on the word tomorrow and add a period after the word Saturday. Now, click on Insert Text. Notice that the 2 sentences appear on the same line, which is why we made our adjustments before inserting the text. Give these tools a try, and see how they can help you better prepare your work for grading.